Okay, so we got something very rare, something very hard to find. I haven't found another one like it. It's the Harry Potter Sorcerer's Stone GloGear Amulet from 2001. Apparently you can make your own Sorcerer's Stone, and not only that, it apparently glows. Now, I don't remember Harry Potter's Sorcerer's Stone glowing, but
That's it, Harry.
so here's the pack and everything that it comes with. Comes with the resin and catalyst to make the amulet. Unfortunately, mine got messed up in the mail and it leaked out. Got all over the instructions, as you can see. It's like I had a deranged mailman or something. Anyway, it did come out in the year 2001, but I was a little concerned that ingredients that were 2 decades old would be unusable. But hell with it, let's give it a shot. Okay, so this is all the components outside of the bag. Taking it all out, laid it out on the table here. Here's the mixing stuff, the resin and the catalyst. Came with a little stick. Mix that, and apparently you pour it into that. Here's the electric necklace that apparently makes the amulet glow. Here's the pieces that came with it. Little attachments for to put in the mold, apparently. And you can see the damage the leaking did to the instructions. But anyway, so we mix these two with our little stick, and we pour the mixture into our Sorcerer's Stone mold. I'm glad this came with gloves, because this mixture was very sticky and it got all over your hands. So this is my mixture in the mold now, and I believe now the directions say we have to wait 12 to 24 hours.
Three weeks later.
Okay, so mine took a little longer than 12 to 24 hours. It took weeks and days. I don't know if it's because the components are old or I mixed them wrong, but it came out pretty well. A little smaller than I would imagine, based on the molds and everything. But I guess this is intended for children, not full-grown children like myself. Here's the amulet on the necklace. As you can see, this is like the finished result. Unfortunately, again, I had problems with the age of this item. The magnets that are supposed to touch and ignite the light, there's some sort of strange dust coming off of it, and it's just not working. I don't know if the battery's dead, but this doesn't look good.
Instructions. It was from 2001.
Fine day, Sunday. In my opinion, best day of the week. Why is that, Dudley?
Because there's no post on Sundays.
Right you are, Harry. No post on Sunday. Ha! No blasted letters today. No, sir. Not one single bloody letter. Not one.
So it really didn't go according to plan, but I had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe for more content, and thank you again.